Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Task View with Win Plus tab. This is the control center for virtual desktops. Once Task View appears, click New Desktop in the top left to create your first additional workspace. Make sure to name or mentally assign a purpose to each desktop, work, comms, media, so you stay organized. You can also drag an open window into the new desktop thumbnail to move it immediately. After that, use Control plus Win plus left or right to flip between the desktops you just created. Now arrange your apps across desktops to keep tasks separate and focused. In Task View, drag a window thumbnail to another desktop, or right-click the app on the desktop and choose Move to and select the target desktop. This is faster for specific apps. Once inside a desktop, use Snap Layouts to tile windows, hover the Maximize button or press Win plus Z to create efficient side-by-side workflows. Make sure to place communication tools on one desktop and heavy work apps on another to reduce distraction. Finish by reviewing desktops in Task View and closing any you no longer need. Closed desktops merge their open windows into the previous desktop automatically. If a desktop fails to switch or windows seem missing, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in to restore the Task View state. Make sure to rely on keyboard shortcuts like Control plus Win plus left/right to reduce accidental clicks. This preserves your layout and prevents accidental desktop deletion while you work with multiple contexts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.